Hey, what's going on, my friends? Todd G here, and in this How to Make Daily Pay Online with a 2-hour workday, digital growth community reviews and bonuses video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day online, working only 2 hours per day from home, and give you a review of the digital growth community and legacy builders review, and show you how people from all walks of life are winning with the digital growth community and legacy builders program. But first, I would appreciate it if you click that subscribe button below and hit the thumbs up icon below to like this video. And if you stick around till the end, I'm going to show you how you can start making $100, $300, $600, and $900 daily pay sent directly to you and your account. The Legacy Builders program is the main product in the Digital Growth Community suite of products. Think of it as the vehicle that allows people to get to their destination of having a completely automated, done-for-you online business that allows you to make up to $900 daily pay following a 2-hour workday. Some of the things that the Digital Growth Community and Legacy Builders program teaches you are how to go from launch to profit in 7 days with an online business. Shows you what is the 2-hour workday. How to have an automated business that attracts customers. How to grow an online business with no monthly expenses. How to have more time to do the things that you love and have a recurring income stream. How to monetize your social media platforms. How to promote proven digital products and programs, referring people to a proven process. Now, the main mission of the Digital Growth Community is to help you build a daily pay customer base digitally. Inside the Digital Growth Community, you get access to 24/7 technical support, access to weekly live Zoom trainings and the replays, access to many other trainings such as the 90-day legacy run, the 6 figures in 6 months training, the content vault that has a ton of content that you can use for your free social media marketing, a thriving community, and so much more. The Digital Growth Community teaches you how to attract customers by placing free social media ads so you never have to chase people down. You never have to prospect people, cold DM people, or get on the phone to try and convince people to buy. The Digital Growth Community and Legacy Builders program teaches you attraction marketing with free social media ads and social media marketing. No paid ads, no chasing family and friends here. Now, there are 4.8 billion people just on social media alone. The Digital Growth Community teaches you how to build a brand, even including faceless branding. Gives you copy and paste free ads so you will never have to chase people down or have to try to convince people to buy from you ever again. Now, the Digital Growth Community gives you proven digital products to promote. Now, do these products actually convert? Well, the Digital Growth Community has generated $2 million in revenue in just the past 20 days. So I would say the answer to that is yes, they convert like crazy. Oh, and the Digital Growth Community pays 100% of the sales directly to you and instantly to your account. No more tiny commissions and no more waiting weeks or even months to get paid. Now, one of the things I love about the Digital Growth Community is that it is a legitimate coaching program and doesn't look at all like a scam. Now, I went through many coaching programs and paid a ton of money, and I can honestly say that this is the best coaching program I've ever been a part of. I have friends that have paid $10,000 to over $100,000 on other coaching programs only to be super disappointed and have their training go away after the course is over. I can honestly say with all sincerity that the Digital Growth Community training and mentoring provided by Michelle O'Neill is better than those programs that cost upwards of $100,000, and you get lifetime access. Now, a quick story. A friend of mine's daughter, who is a complete newbie to this whole online marketing stuff, well, she jumped right in and got started with the Digital Growth Community on April 2nd and just started following the step-by-step daily action plans. Well, on April 10th, 8 days later, she made her first $900 sale. And again, it was paid directly and instantly to her account. Now, how awesome is that? So this works. It's working for my friend's daughter. It's working for many others who are posting their daily wins inside the community, and it can work for you too. As a side note, my friend's son was so impressed that he got started with the digital community as well. So this is truly a family business that you can be proud to promote and be part of. Now, the digital growth community has generated over $2 million in revenue in just the past 20 days. That's like $1 million per week. I mean, that's just crazy, right? And the best part is that with the 100% payout model, all of those sales went directly and instantly to the members' accounts. How cool is that? Okay, so as promised, here's how you can start making $100, $300, $600, and even $900 daily pay sent directly to you. You see, the digital growth community pays out 100% of the sales directly and instantly to your account. Now, there are 4 products inside the digital growth community. There's the Launchpad that pays out $100. The Passive Daily Pay Blueprint that pays you $100 and $300. The Digital Mastery, which pays you $600, $300, and $100. And the Legacy Builders program that contains all of the products and has 4 income streams, so you get paid $900, $600, $300, and $100. And again, these sales go directly and instantly to you and your account. So are people really making money with the digital growth community and Legacy Builders program? Well, let's go and take a look inside the digital growth community and take a quick look at all of the posts. All right, here we are over in the digital growth community Skool group. Now, this is the community portion, and right here is all of the posts, but there's a category here called wins. So let's look at that real quick. All right, so wins. One day ago, win $600 ding. Zachary, 7 hours ago, $600 ding while sleeping. 19 minutes ago, Kathy posts $300, woke up to $300. What a great morning. This is a thank you for all of your support. 3 hours ago, Dean, $900 ding while sipping my coffee here at work. Literally made my coffee tasted extra rich. Nothing sweeter than not having to lift a finger. Automation at its best. 13 minutes ago, $900 ding. 2 hours ago, waking up to $900. 26 minutes ago, $900 and $4,300 in the last 7 days. 10 hours ago, $7,550 in 11 days. Marsha, 3 hours ago, $100 ding. 15 hours ago, my first $900 while laying in bed. Jimmy, 2 hours ago, $600 ding in the shower. 3 hours ago, so much engagement on my live. 2 hours ago, ding, $600. Live visibility. I'm lost for words. I hit 400K JMD in 8 weeks. I'm not sure what JMD is, but it's pretty cool. YouTube. I created my YouTube channel. My first Launchpad $100 sale while in Madrid, Spain, 3 hours ago. 40K in 11 weeks, 2 hours ago. $300 ding, 4 hours ago. I could go on and on about this, but as you can see, there are people getting results, lots of people. And this is, like I said, I just logged in live this morning, and all these are within a few hours ago, maybe a day ago for the majority of these. Pretty awesome, right? So as you can see, people are winning with the digital growth community and Legacy Builders programs. So go ahead and click the link below to get started with the digital growth community, and you can have everything set up for you in 24 hours or less, and just start following the step-by-step training to get your business up and running and start making daily pay. Just like my friend's daughter, if she can do it, you can do it too. Go ahead and get started now by clicking the link below, and I believe with everything in me that it will be one of the best decisions of your life. If you go to any of my videos, down in the description, there's going to be a link, right? And I always say click the link below this video. So this link, when you click it, it's going to take you to the video sales page, okay? And you can watch this video, obviously. The sound's off by default. You just click on it and the sound comes on. But once you go to this page and you can read down through here, if you click this button, and this is Michelle O'Neill, by the way, that's the founder of the Digital Growth Community. Just an awesome person and super successful. But anyway, if you click this button to get started right here, this is the order form page. Now it's very important here. At the top of this order form page, it's going to give you options to click here to get like the Legacy Builders program, right? And if you click that, you're going to be taken to this page, and there are no payment plan options on this page. That's because this page is provided by System.io. It's part of their whole checkout system and cart and what have you. There aren't payment plans. There's only PayPal and Stripe of one-time payment there. However, if you scroll down to the bottom of this page, all the way to the bottom, past the bonuses, past the testimonials, past the benefits, past all the description, down to the bottom, okay? Right here, starting here, this is the Legacy Builders program. This contains the 4 income streams where you can make $900, $600, $300, and $100 daily pay, automated, directly sent to you. But down here, the green button will take you again to the cart inside of System.io. You don't want that. You want this button that says, click here to enroll today and get the bonuses plus 4 income streams payment plan right here. When you click this blue button down at the bottom, notice this goes to buy.stripe.com. This is my Stripe account, okay? I have Stripe connected to System.io for the one-time payment plans where there aren't any payment options. I also have my own Stripe account set up here where if you are in the United States or a US citizen, there are payment plans, okay? Right here, instead of putting card, click on this Afterpay button. Look at the options here. 12 monthly payments of $77.87, or 6 monthly payments of $153.08, or 4 interest-free payments of $225. Let's go over this one last time here. If you're watching any of my videos where I say click the link below, click this link. That's going to go to the video sales page. Obviously, watch this video, learn more about it, read everything on this page. Click this button to get started. That takes you to the order form page. If you're looking for a payment plan option, scroll all the way to the bottom. You can read all this. Obviously, I would love for you to read all this, but my point is the payment plan options are at the bottom. Scroll all the way down, till you get to right here. It's now or never. Get started today, okay? If you want the Legacy Builders program, if you want the payment plan, click on this blue button that has the payment plan in parentheses here, okay? If you want the Digital Mastery, don't click these buttons at the top. There's no payment plan on those buttons. The payment plan is on these blue buttons with the payment plan in parentheses. Click on one of those buttons if you want any of these products, okay? Again, if you click on this button for any of the products, it's going to take you to my Stripe account. This is my personal Stripe account, my business Stripe account, and it's going to have the corresponding dollar amount. Then click on this Afterpay button right here. That's going to give you your options. Then you put in your information up at the top, you know, your email, your name, your address, your phone number. Then click on the pay button with Afterpay selected, and it will take you to the payment plan options. And you can do the same thing. You can get started today. You can follow that 7-day blueprint, the same plan that my friend's daughter followed and made $900 in her first 8 days. You can start earning while you're learning, plus you're on the payment plan. Then you can educate your other potential customers on the payment plan options as well. Okay, that's it for this How to Make Daily Pay Online with a 2-Hour Workday Digital Growth Community Reviews and Bonuses video. If you want to learn more about the Digital Growth Community and Legacy Builders Review Program, you can see all the resources and links below this video in the description below, including a complete playlist that shows you everything about the Digital Growth Community Reviews and Legacy Builders Program Reviews. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.